This is hiker Dude Dad, and the whole family is here at Iron Valley Tubing, ready to ride some tubes.
You need help?
I'm good. Just want to make sure they get going. Here we go. Woo! Woo! See ya, sucker! Woo! Oh my God! That's awesome! I'm gonna hit the wall up here. Oh yes! Woo! Took it to the wall, buddy. Woo! I hit the beanbags, man. I went through the wall.
So I did it.
I went through the wall. You tried to slow down?
I didn't know where I was gonna be there.
Where's Bray? Oh no!
Guys, this way, past the cones, please.
He's too late. Oh man, he almost need a snow rescue. That was awesome. That was my first time ever doing this. All right, so I'm riding the lift to the top. So first thoughts on that is that was awesome. My parents weren't quite the winter sports types, so I never got to do this growing up. But man, this was awesome. It was so fast. It pays to be the heaviest one in the family. I was definitely the fastest. Streamlined, aerodynamic, made for this. Yeah, killed it. Killed it going up that, or down that hill. There's a whole row of beanbags. I'll try and film the wreckage next time, but just smashed into the wall, NASCAR style. It was amazing. I hadn't slowed down at all. There's the end of the hill is like kind of tilted up down there to kind of stop you. Oh, almost time to tuck and roll off out of here. Gotta roll off to the left here, but oh, I'm only halfway up. All right, so yeah, the end of the hill goes uphill, and it's designed to stop you, but it wasn't stopping this freight train. No way. Oh, that was amazing. It was so long too. There's 11 different lanes, so we're gonna go try the rest of these here. Guess I'll hang in there and film my dismount. Probably be glorious. Just riding the clothesline. You're almost there. Oh, just heard Dr. Mom roll off. Woo! Thank you. Yep. Graceful as predicted.
Hey, is everybody ready?
Ready.
Get set.
Second run.
Go.
Go. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Oh man, I ain't slowing it down anytime soon. Going up the wall, going into the wall, baby. Actually, yeah, not quite as fast as a run.
I think it's just him.
He's too late. Thoughts on your run?
Oh man, I was speeding down that hill, flew past the kids, and caught up to you at the end.
Caught up with me.
Yep.
Amazing. Taco, what do you think?
Okay, so my butt it kept bouncing on the bottom of the tube.
Did you switch up and sit down?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was gonna. No, you had said something about my jaw. And I was like, no.
I think I'm gonna take a header this time. How about you?
I'm gonna stay sitting down,
Okay.
but you guys can go in front. I'm waiting for a friend. Are you sure? Yes.
Love the hat, by the way.
All right.
Really sweet.
Oh, fly.
There you have it. Everybody's reaction. And I think I'm going to take a header this time. All right. Go take a header on this one. Going head first. You're going to have the driver's view on this. Ready? Here we go. Woo! There you see what I'm seeing. Woo! Hey, Frank! Pass me out! Get down, get low, get aerodynamic! Oh, almost made it to the top.
Oh, Maddie.
Oh, what's up, guys?
She pushed me and then I turned around.
Jen, you are flying. Absolutely flying.
I'm taking this tube home with me so I can bring it again.
You did like false start.
Oh my, no.
She had to push me again.
Had to push you again. Yeah, you were really far away. I felt like if Braden gave himself one more nudge, he was going to go early.
Yeah. No. No, she pushed me and then I turned around. Like, my whole tube turned around and I was backwards the whole ride.
Oh my goodness. You were backwards?
Yes.
Header was fun, man. I recommend it. Here we go, run 5. Last one of the day. Oh crap, turned around. Oh boy. Terrible run. Just go backwards, I guess. That's still fun. Although I think we're gonna eat their feed bags hard. Oh boy, oh, it bounced out. Oh, well. Oh, time to go to bed. I got turned around, Bray. I was backwards half the time. I got turned around. I did like 360s.
Oh my gosh,
I got
really?
the highest of them
Yeah.
all.
And then I came in and ran into the wall backwards.
The kid
So I just laid down and went to sleep.
ones are so fast.
All right. This is Hiker Dude Dad. We're done here. Thanks for watching. Different kind of video this time. But, you know, we like to do different things. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.